our store at MCT. We're conducting a sugar flower class and also painting class. We're going to be working on Casablanca Lily and also painting the Casablanca Lily. So I'll show you the project that we're working on today. I'll be teaching the sugar flower section, and students now are working very hard to make all of the petals and leaves. And then once they're done, we're going to move into the painting section. And as you can see, the painting here is done very beautifully, and we've used the MyFlavor fruit gel colors. And it comes in a variety of colors and shades which are really good for our class today. Sugar flower section, and we're going to move on to the painting section. And for that, we have our special guest today, Noni. She's from Syluns Art, and she'll be taking over the painting session. Today, I'm going to start the painting process. First off, we're going to trace all the design onto the cake from this design, and then we will finish it with painting using this for coloring.
I gotta say it twice, it ain't my fault. Every little thing got a price, that's what I thought. That's what they taught. Yeah, I'ma take my chance till I drop. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about growing older. Done my thinking, me and you. Yeah, guess it's over. It was a rainbow, but was sinking. Lost my hue. I might come running back when our hearts get back on track. When the stars line up, that's that. I've been attached, just looking out. We move so fast, was moving south. My secret sauce, move in and out. Miss how you gloss that pretty mouth. You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh, I ain't got space to be thinking about you.
Gloss that, love it when you toss it back, love it when you talk back. Girl, you get me off track, so off-white tracksuit, just so I can floss, yeah. With my new bitty, she ain't let my soft yet. Could've been you, still feeling on my ditty, but you lost that. You had real privileges for this, all snap. Now you getting time out, cause you hit it where my heart's at. Got me going deeper than Amari when that ball snap. Heard you sold your soul on Macari, got you call lacking. Now I'm next door, at the party while you jaw jacking. You know it's Rashad, in the rarest in the raw fashion. I'm still trying to figure how this all happened, huh?
You know this ain't the time for the two of us. Ooh,